Welcome to this complete guide on how you can become a digital marketing specialist. Whether you're just starting, looking to transition into a new career, or aiming to upskill, this video will give you all the steps, strategies, and insights you need to build a successful career in digital marketing. From learning the essential skills to gaining practical experience, we'll walk you through it all. So stay tuned till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative content. Let's get started. What is digital marketing? Understanding key digital marketing skills, gaining certifications and formal education, gaining experience and building a portfolio, networking and staying updated. Salary trend conclusion. What is digital marketing? First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is digital marketing? Simply put, it's the promotion of products or services using digital channels like search engines, social media, email, and websites. It encompasses various tactics like SEO, content marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and social media marketing, all designed to reach and engage with online audiences. In today's digital age, businesses of all sizes rely on digital marketing to attract new customers, boost brand awareness, and increase sales. And that's why becoming a specialist in this field is such a lucrative career path. But how do you get there? Let's break it down. Understanding key digital marketing skills. To become a digital marketing specialist, you need to develop a core set of skills. Let's go over the key areas that you'll need to master. SEO, search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing content so it ranks higher in search engine results. SEO specialists focus on keywords, website optimization, and user experience to drive organic traffic. A deep understanding of SEO is crucial for any digital marketing specialist. Content marketing. Content is the backbone of digital marketing. Whether it's blog posts, videos, social media posts, or infographics, creating valuable content that speaks to your audience is key. A great content strategy builds trust and nurtures relationships with customers. Social media marketing. With billions of people on social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, social media marketing is one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience. As a digital marketing specialist, you'll need to understand how to create engaging posts, run paid campaigns, and analyze performance metrics. PPC, pay-per-click advertising. PPC involves running paid ads on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook ads. You'll need to learn how to set budgets, bid on keywords, create compelling ads, and measure ROI. It's all about getting the most out of your advertising spend. Email marketing. Email remains one of the most powerful tools for engaging and nurturing leads. As a specialist, you'll need to craft email campaigns, segment your audience, and personalize content for better open rates and conversions. Gaining certifications and formal education. Now that you know the essential skills, how can you acquire them? One of the best ways is through certifications and formal training. Let's take a look at some options. Google certifications. Google offers free certifications in Google Analytics and Google Ads. These certifications are industry recognized and can boost your credibility. HubSpot Academy. HubSpot offers free courses on content marketing, inbound marketing, and more. Completing their certifications shows that you have a solid foundation in digital marketing principles. Online courses and degrees. Platforms like GoLogica and LinkedIn Learning offer comprehensive courses on digital marketing. If you prefer more structured learning, you might also consider a degree in marketing or communications. Attend workshops and conferences. Staying updated with the latest trends is crucial in digital marketing. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences to network with professionals and learn from the best in the industry. Gaining experience and building a portfolio. Getting certified is just the beginning. To truly stand out as a digital marketing specialist, you need practical experience. Here's how you can start building that experience. Internships and entry-level jobs. Many agencies and companies offer internships or junior positions where you can work on real-world projects. These opportunities help you apply what you've learned and grow your skill set. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer allow you to offer your services to clients. Freelancing gives you the flexibility to work on diverse projects and gradually build your portfolio. Personal projects. Launch your blog or website to experiment with SEO, content marketing, and social media strategies. Not only will this give you practical experience, but you'll also have something tangible to showcase to potential employers. Volunteering. Nonprofits and small businesses often need help with digital marketing. Offering your services pro bono can be a great way to gain experience and make a positive impact. Networking and staying updated. Networking is key to success in any field, and digital marketing is no exception. Here's how to build a strong professional network. Join online communities. Become a member of online forums, LinkedIn groups, or Reddit communities focused on digital marketing. Engaging in discussions and asking questions will help you stay informed and connect with like-minded professionals. Follow industry leaders. Follow digital marketing experts on Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Their insights and tips can give you an edge, and you can even engage with them to grow your professional network. Attend local meetups and webinars. Attend local events or webinars where you can meet industry professionals. These networking opportunities can lead to job offers, collaborations, or even mentorship. Salary trend. Digital marketing manager role. Oversees digital marketing strategies, manages campaigns across multiple channels, and drives brand growth online. Salary, US $75,000 US through $20,000 per year, US. SEO specialist role. Focuses on optimizing website content for search engines to improve organic visibility and rankings. Salary, US $50,000 to US $85,000 per year. Content marketing specialist role. Develops content strategies, creates engaging articles, videos, and blogs, and drives brand awareness through valuable content. Salary, US $55,000 USD $95,000 per year, US. Social media manager role. Manages and grows brand presence on social media platforms, engages audiences, and creates social campaigns. Salary, US $50,000 USD $85,000 per year. PPC specialist, pay-per-click. Role, manages online advertising campaigns, particularly on platforms like Google Ads, and optimizes for ROI. Salary, USD $55,000 USD $90,000 per year, US. Conclusion. And there you have it, a complete roadmap to becoming a digital marketing specialist. By learning the key skills, gaining certifications, and building practical experience, you can unlock a world of opportunities in this exciting field. Remember, consistency is key. Keep learning, stay curious, and never stop evolving. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone interested in a digital marketing career.